I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Queen White, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding. Levels without a doubt, calling the zones in the structure, pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Levels on why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sucking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin Wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobelito in any market condition. Coin Wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off of the Lions is wedding. Coin Wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Hey, let's go. Good morning. Are we in there? It's go time. Who juicing? Shout outs to Coin Wise. Levels on levels on levels. Kim Gang always. Shout outs to you over there in YouTube. Kimba AI. Dokong. Maestro. We set him. We set him. Mark. Shout outs to Mark. Hey, great song, dude. Congratulations. Crypto craze. You digging the Coin Wise? Shout outs. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word, Dokong. How we doing? Congrats, Mark. Who juicing? Shout outs PSG. La Motard. How we doing? Frozen yogurt. El Pasoto. Did you turn your screen name from Eel to L? Or is that just Mandala effect? Dude. It's the Berenstain Bears, god dang it. The VPAS. Let's go, Pedro. Crypto craze. Buzz, shoutouts Buzz. Shouts Husty. Shouts Cage. Shouts to the whole team. Much love. It's been a battle. Exclamation Coinwise. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Who's liking the dashboard? I see. Oh, wait. we got a little tank developing down here. I mean, if you can see the structure, it's pretty clear that we might have a little liquidity building. It's a little bit above as well. Oh yeah. Those highs are asking for it. But those lows are too. So what are you gonna do? Take it level by level. Hitman Gucci, good morning. I haven't seen you since the dashboard launch. You liking it? Skip Moha, how we doing? Shout out to you, Steve! Exclamation Talent Show. We got a new one today? Who's enjoying season 3 of the talent show? I'm loving it. Exclamation Talent Show. Oh, listening party. Okay. Hey, come in there. Get caught up. Exclamation dashboard for the full streaming schedule. Yeah, let's come vibe out. Let's go, Sophia. Good morning. Ooh-wee. Minutes were kind of a nothing burger, huh? Exclamation Talent Show. Get your submissions in. Right there. Red folder for Bank of England Governor Barely. Housing starts up a little bit. Unemployment right around forecast. Focacino. Yeah, the AI, if you're like trying to write your songs with some AI, it can help. It can help get your like, I don't know, your diction in. You know, getting like the right amount of the syllables in the lines and shit. But you gotta put your taste on it too. Yeah, put some flavor in. Yeah, I wouldn't know. I've made a couple of songs. That's right, Husty. Husty's made many songs. Hundreds probably. Thousands, millions. Let's go, Fredward. Good morning, how you doing? Yeah, shout out to Husty. Yeah, just another way of looking at the liquidation heat map. Looks juicy, don't it? I think so. That's right, juicy. Still that 80K. Huge one up there. Are they going to do it? Or are they going to be wrecked? Yeah, it's not monthly for the Deribit this week. It's next week. I like this song. Yeah, still like 75K to the downside. Looking good, looking good. We'll see it for tomorrow. 77, 70, ooh, is that 76? Not that big this week. That's the thing, man. I need to like set it, and then go to another screen because it always messes with my canvas. Ugh. There we go. That's not that hard, but you know what it is. Just gotta have it clean. It might strain people's eyes. Dion on ETH, I feel you, Dole Kong. You know. These like little bleeds. They're not really good for alts, are they? All right, let's get our levels. Syed. Juicy, that's right. That's right, Fred. Oh, yeah. I'm surprised that name hasn't, like, stuck a little bit better. Juicy! Who juiced it? It's too easy. Curvies, good morning. Hustie's like, God damn it, please don't. Please don't. I'm just so psyched about the CoinWise juice this week. Low cone, 444. Let's go, Fred. Uh-oh. Sorry, Hustie. Gamer girl, good morning. Curvies. Let's get it. Ursui play. Welcome to the chat. Yeah, a little bit of lawns closing out. Maybe this thing needs to go over to the side a little bit. I think you'd see it better. Shout outs to CoinWise, 50% off this week. All the way until like the 26th. That is so juice. Hey, congratulations if you're taking full advantage of that. That's amazing. Rafa back in full effect. School is over, 3.92. Oh man, that freaking A-. God. Your parents are going to... What, your parents aren't Asian, are you? Because you'd be grounded for the summer. Get that A- up to an A+, goddammit. So, I might sound insensitive. Mrs. Mandalo is Asian, and I know what it is. The stereotype is in full effect. Wait, you didn't graduate at the top of your class? Salutatorian? I'm fucking disowning you. Trinidadian, and we take those A-. Damn right. Congratulations, man. That's a great GPA. Something to be proud of for sure. A lot of hard work, I bet, went into that. That's right. The funny thing is, once you get out of school, nobody gives a shit about grades. But man, It's for real. It's for real. But you know what? It's the knowledge that you get. Find a way to figure out what's important and really take it with you. Congratulations, Rafa. What are you going to do with your summer? Are you going to work? You going to just trade and nerd out? And take a vacation? If you're in Trinidad, you're already on vacation. That place is beautiful. Fredward, you know what it is. You're a doctor too, aren't you? Predictions, shoutouts Maestro. I know I'm not going to remember to cut it right when the market opens, so I'm putting it in for 10 minutes. I wish they had custom options. Oh, this reminds me of the twerking. Who has not seen? I don't even think we got to see it the other day. Dr. Fred Wheezy Fasheezy. All right. I think the twerking professor is gonna make a appearance right before market open. QC's hitting him with the goose. Shouts to Rogelicious. He's a doctor as well. Hey, if you're a doctor, stand up. OKC, let's go. Wasn't like Fire Slayer from OKC? Way back? It was like one of the OGs. Clean overnight highs would be nice, yeah. Those are not that great. You did have like a sweep for ants. Value area high. We accepted back into value. Previous day. And just failed with after that sweep. Yeah, completed the rotation. It wasn't like a big one or anything, but completed the daily rotation. We're back inside previous day value. But let's make sure that these value areas and everything are looking Gucci. I'm gonna pull it up in. I think it's in this one. No, not in that one. Shit, I had it all nice. Was it in this one? There we go. Daily levels. All right, most importantly, CoinWise daily levels every single day. You know the dashboard has pretty much most of these already in there except for the EQ. So check out the dashboard. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Previous day value area high 77,703. Point of control 77,504. That's kind of nice having the point of control way up there, as if when we're trading below it. And then value area low 77,147. It's pretty tight. Pretty tight. Let's get the levels marked up, updated on the chart. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Kimba gang, yeah, you know the name. Every move we make, trust the gang. Let's go. Count the steps is calculated. Trust the math that's activated.
77,777.
In Kimba gang, we dominate. Numbers don't lie, they're showing the way. Precision in every move we
Hey, might even be some more juice coming out with CoinWise very, very soon.
Just trust the math. We're in the zone. Kimba's on
It was
top.
504.9.
Decision, it's math, no stop. Let's go. You can't fake it. We've got the proof. Logic wins when we step in the booth. Trust it.
Good to go. Now, let's get it.
Profits, that's more than juice. Blueprint tight, no room for doubt. Stick to the plan, we're taking routes. You see the
Ooh, Housty, I need that.
let's go higher. Kimba gang, united as one. Guided by logic, we've already won.
Microsoft is ripping. Okay, shout out to Gamer Girl. Yeah, right at weekly VWAP right now
In the zone.
for support.
On top.
Below previous day VWAP.
It's math, no stop. You can't fake it, we've got the proof. Logic wins when we step in the booth.
I don't even know why I had that on there. Holy shit, these are levels. That's not Kex Flip any longer.
Kimba gang, the trust is tight. We own the night. We're built for life.
Yeah, I'll get Microsoft up there in a second.
Useless lines records.
Math and data. Math and data. Yeah, we don't have updated Gex yet. But we might on the YouTube stream.
Plenty zones, but this edge feeling right, oh. Give me math control, slow tap through the night, oh. Let me see, let me know.
Is that 7350?
In the line, are you waiting for time, oh?
Well, it's safe to say that we're above Gex Flip.
My chart, that I play it smart. I don't believe hype lines, but the math been so right, though. These are the moves I love. 'Cause you know, baby, math and data, can't outrate it, can't outrate it, nah. Let us burn in my soul in that. I'm deep
Look at that.
in the zone, that's facts.
Nice little clean right there. That Gex Flip will be. Noise. Hey, check out the den though. Exclamation Discord.
Math and data.
Kimba's Den! Shouts to the Wise Lions. 7 minutes. Anthropic is picking them up. Oh, well, I mean, they were down bad too. Microsoft was really not following all the other Big 7. Early morning Kimba Den update for the win. That's right. Yeah, Kimba Den all week. Let's go.
Juice and vibes, we dey elevate. Smoking less, money no dey wait. Bugatti dreams, we accelerate. Who juicing crew, we dominate.
Yeah, those are areas that we talked about on ES on Tuesday also.
Counting blessings,
Yep.
see it in our eyes.
Check out the Den.
Let us burning stress, we minimize. Stacking paper, reaching for the skies.
Let's see, where's my stonks at?
Let the beat bleed.
Right before market open, you know what it is. Oh. Oh. Got him. Got him. Yeah, but you know.
Grinding hard, no time to rest. Wrist on ice, gold chains on chest. Plotting moves like a chess.
This is good. This structure up here, and it's holding above all of that. Yep, point of control. Value area high. Need to get outside of that. If we get another close up here, things will look way better for at least challenging the gap, I think. Yeah, to the downside, right around 400. We talked about that like, what, 2 weeks ago? Last week? That's what we were looking for, like a potential retest. Yeah, let's look at NQ real fast. Let's look at NQ futures. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that clean right there, not looking as, with this structure. Hi, train, let's go! Hey, shout out to Housty. Buying GitHub. It was pretty good. Yeah, shout out to Microsoft. Azure for the win. Azure. Let's go, gamer girl. Always long. Thank you for the resub. Let's get it. In PSG, get your asses in PSG. Shout out to PSG. Shout out to Housty. Shout out to Maestro. Excuse me. I had to cough right into the mic. Let's go, Crypto Craze. Yeah, that was clean. Yeah. Cloud for sure. That damn subscription model. It's juice for business. It sucks for the consumer. Let's go, Bergie! Crypto Craze Maestro. All right, we're right there. We're right there. Ding, ding, ding. Oh. Right at the margin of that prior gap. You know, we filled it in a little bit, 33% in fact. Jesus, everything is right here. We're just such a tight range right now. We did this before around 6,800 to 7,000. And consolidated for a long time. NVIDIA already had their earnings. You mean for next quarter? Wait, did it? We just had NVIDIA earnings. Yeah, we were like talking about it forever, and then we didn't even talk about it on Tuesday. Let's hit him with the big D energy. Come on. There we go. Yeah, that's a good beat. Nvidia juicing the market. Not great highs. Yeah, it's kind of flipping this level. It could like clean down here, hit monthly VWAP and structure. Yeah, but I think that weekly open at least is on the table with those strong earnings too. But you got weeklies, you got monthly next, or never mind. You got weeklies, so maybe after the weekend it'll have its push. Maybe they do it on lower liquidity tomorrow, especially with the holiday. U.S. market holiday on Monday, and new Mandalo stream schedule begins next week. I will be here on Wednesday next week. Maybe I'll be able to sneak in one of the other days, but after that it's going to be Mondays and Wednesdays. Yeah, KIMBA'S is trading up with me for my IRL schedule. So appreciate that, brother. Oh, Housty. That would be so nice for Who Juice. Exclamation Who Juicing. This song came in at the perfect moment too, Housty. Shoutouts calling noob. Shoutouts Buzz. Let's go Buzzo. Craving some rice pudding? Noise. You like that, Fredward? Yeah, it's kind of nice. And one thing that I really love about it, you know, it seems like CPI happens more on like Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's kind of a bummer. But it's always like such a scramble for me to get here and all nice and comfortable for FOMC, for the Fed meeting. And we got a Fed meeting coming up in like, what, 3 weeks? Something like that. So I'm excited about just being able to be all settled in and just vibe out for FOMC. And then right at market open, it's like, yeah, Mondays. It's cool having Tuesdays because you get like Mondays settled, and you have a little bit more to work with instead of just coming in fresh. But you know, we'll start our weeks fresh. Get futures resumption on Sundays. Shout out to Cage. Get a little market open the next morning. Little Kimba live trading, a little bit of talent shows. Juicy. Oh, we got our first 5 minutes. Yeah, it'll be in the dashboard, y'all. It'll be in the dashboard. Red. That low. That low's no good. And you got this over here. Maybe that holds. I don't really like these lows, any of them. Not that I have to, but it's not very nice. And then these also. Yeah, some good liquidity down below that. Oh, shout out to the Wise Lions. Exclamation NFT. Exclamation NFT. And shout outs to the YouTube Lion Kings and Discord VIPs. All ways that you can have access to the Wise Lions. Shout out to CoinWise. And the new dashboard. Let's see that dashboard again. Juice. Oh, I gotta refresh it. There we go. Market structure, bearish, bearish, bullish on the H1. Hasn't updated for this hour yet. It was looking a little bit better. And then current CVD. Is it? We maybe have a 30-minute CVD. Bullish divergence. 4-hour structure. Those lows are just asking for it. And maybe we get that and this holds. I would like to see a clean down here. Kind of what Kimba was talking about the past few days. I would like to see that. And it could do this and still hold. We were talking about it the other day. Yeah, this failed auction up here left a lot of liquidity. But we're accepting back inside. We have now had a weekly close back inside value, previous month value, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 daily closes back inside. Got to get back outside that 79, 450 ish. Now's the test. I think I've successfully done this before. Will it save it? Is it there? Yes. It should all work very nicely. But Mandalo shouldn't be doing things on stream before he tests it. Yep, there we go. First set of lows. Looking good, looking good. Jaskier. Crypto Jammies, how we doing? Crypto Jammies, go to stabhigh.com. They just had a surf contest at the wave park. Insane. And the surf park here. Buzz, you can make rice pudding. It's not difficult. We wise. CoinWise dashboard. Yeah, they got 23 knowledge base. Thangs for y'all too. Videos, articles to really connect what you're seeing on the chart and understanding it. Oh man. I know more are coming too. don't know what a divergence is, we'll just click it. Definition, video walkthrough. What it is. You know what it is. Shout out to the dashboard. They got a updated trading journal also. We were talking about this. Houston, this is so cool, and it's really nice. It's beautiful. You know, let's see the whole knowledge base. Look at that. Looking great. So you can have it categorized as well if you want to just check them all out. You don't have to try and find these things on the chart. Really cool. Shout out to CoinWise. And then you get the 50% off this week. So you can get the levels, the full levels download, the journal, you can get the indicators, and you can get the education. Yeah, the full education slew of courses with a lot more in development. And yeah. Kimba, let's go! Good morning. How's this look? How's this looking? It looks beautiful on stream, doesn't it? Exciting. Good morning, brother. Hey, thanks for joining. Thanks for the den also. It's been a juicy week. Can't see this. Ooh, got the clean. Got the first clean. We're gonna get this one? Are you curious? Are you curious about where it could bounce if it weren't to clean? Oh, I can't fuck this up. Up, point of control, and value area low. Right at this clean. I think if we get a close down here, though, this is gonna get cleaned. Yeah, you got the other tools too, so you don't really have to unless you really want to go anywhere else. All in one place is so nice. Oh, you got my anchor VWAP on there. I don't have my colors catered, customized, but it's looking good. Let's go, Kinky. Send it to 36. Holy. Cake showers and a juice shower. Let's go. Cake shower juicing. Hey, get your levels. Let's go, VPAS. Zamil. Mr. Mo. Yeah, we're loving the updates. Welcome back, Kimba. Show order flow? Yes. Show order flow. Okay. Let me not mess this one up. I'm driving. I need to check order flow so I can enter my trades. You know how like backwards that is, brother? I'm driving. I hope you're in a Tesla or something that has auto drive. So you can just sit back, trade, watch market open. Fergie! Kimba shouting out the Lions, let's go! Love it. Yeah, here's our order flow. You want a full screen? It's nice to have it compressed though because you get like the shape a little bit better. Yeah, a little bit of shorts coming into this low. A little bit of longs getting stopped out. Almost all red delta on this candle, at least from Coinbase. And then potentially divergence. Yeah, we're gonna have to change time frames. Yeah, We will have CBD on the 4-hour probably if we make a lower low, and RSI as well. On the 1 hour, if we make a higher low, it'll be hidden, and if we, yeah, it'll be hidden. All right, got to tuck back in. We clean this, holding that, just stacking dominoes. But if we tuck back in, things are looking better. I'd like to see it tuck back in above weekly VWAP. But this is previous day right here.
Right before we close.
This is a good one. This is a good one. Hey, shout outs Crypto Jammies. Have a great day, brother. Get those mowers fixed up. Sharpen those blades. We're gonna be hitting them with the Hattori Hanzo swords here, chopping up the charts. Have a great day, brother.
Wake up, check the charts, big up my bros. My G's, Kimba gang, we dey shine, watch how we glow. We lit, no wahala, we dey flex.
Weekly VWAP on ES. And attempting to accept back into previous day value.
Let us stack in, I'm on no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight.
Really need daily open on here. Clean it up a tiny bit. It's one less line. Is it one less line? Didn't I hide that? Make a point of control below. Yeah, but we got a similar structure at those lows. How about that pixel on the monthly open on CME? Shout outs to the levels. VPAZ! E-juicing! Get your umbrellas out. Shaman! Alright, I'll catch you in a few. Full volume the stream. Uh-oh. You never know. You never know what you'll hear. Drive safely. Thank you, VPAZ. Let's get it. Mimosa count. Oh, snap diddly. Uh-oh, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Can I get a it's too easy? We're not allowed to have soundboards, so I'm gonna be the soundboard. I will shout Kachoya. Kachoya long, Kachoya shorts. But you know it's all about the data. We want to see it get back inside. And back above this little local sweep. Wait a minute. Did I turn that off? No.
My data clean and no lose. Let the market choose. It's all about the key. Data with the key.
We just have levels on here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, previous day value area low. 77. 020. Let's get back on this dashboard. I love that. Latisse looking for lower. Exclamation hot dog. VV let's go. Thank you, brother. Shout outs VV Paz. Get your umbrellas out. Let's get it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Somebody got filled. Any juicing? Look at this. Ooh-wee. Thank you. Thank you, V-Paz. Let's go. He juicing. Spreading the love. Make sure you thank the man. Get your Hermes umbrellas out. I have my Dollar Tree umbrella out. It's alright though. I wrote Balenciaga on it. Put a little bit of tape on there. It's looking fly as hell. Hey, juicing. Let's go. Happy 420. How we doing this morning? Mark is getting hot with it. I know. Y'all saw the gold chains. You know that I'm, I got a quarter tank of gas in my new E-Class, but I'm still fly. Don't strike me, YouTube. Yeah, that's right. That's right, YouTube. Don't be mad at me. Some D's on it. Living the dream. You seen that thing, Happy? Ask like somebody who is like beyond college years and they say living the dream. That means it translates. If any of you like international lions, it translates to I'm dead inside. Living the dream. But are you really living the dream, or is that the I'm dead inside? Because I think we're living the dream. For real, for real. Previous settlement. Yeah, to the pixel. Let's go, fellas. Do we have day before yesterday settlement? We just have weekly, monthly, I think. Oh, yes, we do have previous. Previous week? Juice. Tucking back in. I mean, S&P, help me. Who longed? Let's go, Chili. Last long. Good morning, C. Puman. Happy, I love it. Yeah, you have like somebody that's like working in an office and like the secretary or the administrator is like smoking and all they're doing is like filing shit and they're like living the dream. Living the dream. Meanwhile, Happy is like driving his Bentley to appointments and then back home to his beach house. Actually living the dream. He gets the Cully to the private. Let's go, Kimba. Getting chauffeured to the PJ. Hitman Gucci, let's go. Chili. Hey, Hitman, what are you trading? Let's look at something. We should be looking at like oil and gold and stuff. Maybe some frankincense. Myrrh. Oh, this is such a good song. Still holding. Yeah, a little bit below. A little bit below, but trying to get back inside. Would be nice to hold the 4,500 today. This previous week point of control? What? That's looking okay. Oil right around 100. Ooh. Did we get some news or something? With that little reaction on S&P? Let's go Black Panther. You long silver? Okay, okay, okay. Hey, not bad. Not bad. It held that. Wait, is that a sweep for ants or did it hold it? Wow. 15 minutes ago? That's juice. Yeah, get above that settlement. Be looking good for those highs. Maybe a run to the open or even the single print. Nice hit, man. What's your target? You aim it for like 80? That's gonna be a little resistance there. So like 79.5 and the single print. And pull back, maybe. All-time high, that's the target. Let's go Manaka. Oh. I told you hype was looking good. We're going over there. We're going over there right now. Let me get it on my other template. Yeah, you know we don't like this right here at the 90. Let's get above the point of control and we'll be doing a lot better. All right, let's get over to hype because that's juice. I mean, that was pretty nice right there. Yeah, a lot of longs. Shorts closing on the initial leg. This is OKX. I mean, like, where are you gonna really get historical charting? Like, where are you charting it? This is the best one that I have for hype. Look at that. I mean, that daily yesterday. Strong. Was this Tuesday? Did it clear it? Yeah. Ooh. That's a nice TP. Tuesday. Yeah, the important thing was that it closed above. We talked about that on Tuesday. Nice. Plowed through that and closed so close to those highs with all of that volume. Look at this volume increasing into this. Pretty nice. I'm strong with you strong. Shout outs to Dokong. Kachoy, Keba. Oh my goodness. The flippening. He's saying help ETH. Dokong, you're still holding your hype, aren't you? Where is hype going? $2.618, what? Let's see this one. The big dog. Big dog. I had the magnetized off, of course. $69 for the 1.25. 83. That would be close to soul. Who would like to see that? Is begging for a correction? Oh. Maybe. Hype is one of those ones that has been a strong coin. Shout out to Flood.
Risk or reward, man, I want the combo. Before I hit the entry, lock in like Rambo. Stop, loss, and profit risk, man, that's the plan, though. My crew screaming, let's go. Juice in like it's Metro Bears, get the meme mugging hot like it's
Yeah, close outside, set up a rotation, didn't even come close to previous day value. Pure juice off the open. Hype is Honey Badger right now. Yeah, that would be a god candle all the way up there. I'm sure there's a lot of people shorting this right now. It's a lot of longs, but longs coming in, open interest increasing, price going up. Nobody's offsides yet. So you have to respect the move, especially with the volume. Hey, first 30-minute close. Let's go back over to TRADFI. Shoutouts Hype enjoyers. Everyone's talking about the Nvidia earnings. I mean, it was good. Let's go, fellas. Inky, are you in some hype? Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't mean that it's all, it'll never come back. I mean, shit. Sol went to 265 and went back down to $8. They are altcoins. Hype went to what, 58 and went down to, I can't remember, 20, 18, wasn't it? Good morning, Barentina. How we doing? How we doing, brother? You got some big plans this weekend? You know what? I think it's time. I don't know if Kimba's seen this, or if he's still here. Let's see if we can make this work. Let's see if we can make this work.
Feeling fully locked in. I'm thinking about the charts. Coin wise, got the levels. Now we're really moving smart. Got all the tools with me, and the knowledge feeling high. 'Cause we got all the alpha, every wise lying inside.
Oh my goodness. Twerk it. That's like me twerking. Shout out to Kimba. Shout out to Housty. Shout out to the professor. And get yourself some of that CoinWise juice. Get yourself some of that CoinWise juice. 50% off. Look at that. Close back inside. Looking beautiful. Pixel to the monthly open. And closing back above weekly VWAP inside. That was juice. Do you believe in longs after market opens? CME does. Some ES traders do. That thing is so... They did the motion cap? Oh wait, which one is Cage? Which one's Husty? The lady lion. She keeping it real. She's got the weave and everything. You know what I'm saying? You know that one wasn't me. I don't got anything there to weave in. I got the weave in my beard. Do you bereave? Shout out to the lioness. Yeah, the professor's got the moves. Get your 50% off. You can get more juice like that. But really, you get more juice like this. Let's not let the FOMO hit like a whirlwind. Point of control. Wait, is that oh my goodness, that little sweep closed right back outside value. I mean, that's previous value, but still point of control. Okay, just need to hold this. Need to hold that. What is that? Let's see what VWAP is. I wasn't sure. All right, this is in the background of all of the Mandalo streams. Coinwise.com/dashboard. This shit is juice. Hey, did it get those? I don't think it got it. It didn't go low enough for those licks. Nope. Who's juicing? Yeah, all of this, all these have links to different things. And we are outside of current. Oh, and previous day. Uh-oh. Good morning, way it is. How we doing? Coming in hot, you juicing? What you trading? Yeah, I love this. Hidden CBD, bearish. Uh-oh, hot dog. Yeah, I just updated. Every hour, I believe these market info panel will update. Love it. Love it. Got to KIMBA'S level and bounced again. How's he do that? It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. You know, KIMBA sets the levels, and then when it gets there, he's moving the market. He was on the phone. All right, I got filled. Pump it. Oh, I got filled. Partial, but it's enough. You can dump it now. Right there. Exclamation Discord, KIMBA'S Den. All the levels are planned out and discussed well in advance. We've been planning for days and weeks and months. And you know what after today is? Husty? That's right, Manaka. Husty. After today, we got Friday. After Friday, you know what it is. One of the funniest things Kimba always used to do. After today, we got tomorrow. After tomorrow, you know what it is. Today is Friday Junior, that's right. Today is Friday Junior and Long Weekend Junior. Yeah, just futures on Monday. It's a U.S. holiday and banking holiday. Shoutouts to Memorial Day. Remember the longers. Remember the shorters. Remember all of the veterans and everyone you hold dear. That's right. Remember to barbecue. Remember to barbecue. It's a big barbecue. It's supposed to rain all weekend for me. It's been fucking 35 Celsius all week here. Hot as fuck. And it's going to be rainy and like 20 this weekend. Sucks. You know, we're trying to like vibe out and enjoy a little breather. So it's gonna be a nerd out weekend. Let's do it. It's raining there too. Oh, good joy. Is it hot there, Houston? Dokkan, first time you seen that? Hilarious. Hilarious. I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna do it along with them. How about the entire team getting up and doing that dance? Maybe we can do multi-screen for PSG. It's humid. I see you. Dude, it's been dry as shit, which is unusual for here. Yusi's doing the dance right now. Turn your camera on. That's right. Dude, I need to get that motion cap. What should my character be? I do love the avatars for the thumbnails for Mandalo. Maybe we can blend that with some professor or something. Oh, catchily. Oh shit, Houston. Uh-oh. No, the Tron lion is Juice. He looks cool as shit. On the new Mandalo Open. Yeah, that one's dope. We got that agger popping off a little bit. Agger popping off a little. Exclamation XO. Exclamation. Oh, we gotta check out the Boogammas. Let me load it up so it comes in clean. Alright. Get ready for the flashbang of going to YouTube. I for real can't not even read it on my monitor because it's so bright. All right, let's check exclamation XO first. Nope. There we go. Not really. There we don't go.
Something's been missing inside me. No data, no edge, no clarity. I
The summary is there's a lot of things that are getting filled right here. Longs are coming in, not getting stopped out very much. A little bit of bottom shorts in Binance and Bybit. Exclamation EXO to see it for yourself. My goal is to show it shitty so you guys can go see it for yourselves on the YouTube. This looks okay. No, it doesn't. No, it don't. No, it don't. Let's get out of here. That looks like a Big Boo Gamma at 75.10 though. Big level up there. Hey, check out the den. Check out the den. Yeah, Shaman. Yeah, Shaman. That's juice, huh? Shout out to the levels. Yeah, and it's still holding previous day value. Contracts on Tuesday. We'll be adjusting that the rest of the week. Ooh wee! S&P Gammas might show up inside CoinWise for paid users. Oh, you heard that? Uh-oh, hot dog, that is juice! I told you stuff is coming. I didn't even know about that. That's amazing. Shout outs to CoinWise. Oh my goodness. This is just the beginning, y'all. Hey, and that social journal is gonna be dope. Yeah, you just gotta use it. Gotta use it. The more users, the more juice for all. For real. I'm excited about that. Yeah, just hearing some of the things that they're striving for with it. Intuitive. I love it. Super exciting. Get hype. Get hype. Manaka. Shoutouts Kimba. Tigrin. Crypto craze. Yeah, that's right, dude. Let's go, Mark. Mark had an amazing song on Tuesday. Watch the talent show on YouTube. There was, everybody made some really great songs on Tuesday. It seems like every single time, y'all can't lose. How do we pick it? They were so good. Shoutouts for Mark. Taking it home though. PSG representing. Exclamation talent show to get your submissions in. UBIT 20% off deposit. Or sorry. Let me back up there. 20% deposit bonus. Oh my goodness. Shoutouts calling noob. 20% on UBIT. Exclamation UBIT. Make sure you update in the dashboard also. I would just go ahead and join them all, even if you don't plan on trading them all. Update the dashboard just in case there's a giveaway at some point. There have been a lot of giveaways in the past few months, and I'm sure there's some more 1 week left for Bitcoin CME 24/7. Oh wee! Let's go, Tigran. For real? Is it beginning of June? I knew it was coming. May 29th. Pending review. You know that all. Uh-oh. Eliminating the traditional weekend gap. I wonder if they still had the pause at 5 o'clock. Yeah, oh, it's going to be a 2-hour weekly maintenance. 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's not bad either. And then it's no longer going to be an hour. It's going to be a 2-minute maintenance pause. The market makers have their work cut out for them. Hey, go look it up. So, Central Time, but if it's New York time, 5 p.m. to 5:02 p.m., you're gonna have a 2-minute pause. We can't even play the whole Macaulay song in that amount of time. Kachoya! Oh, the market makers are really gonna have to. Let's go, Tigran. Shout out to Tigran. I didn't know it was coming that soon. I need to freaking get caught up! Exclamation YouTube. I'm struggling. That's exciting. That's for crypto. That's cryptocurrency futures and options. That's dope. It helps it to better align with the rest of the market. Wow. CoinWise has their those gaps are still going to be there. That's just next week. Those gaps will still be there. You might still get a few like little gaps, but they're going to be quite a bit less relevant for Bitcoin futures. It'll still work for all the other assets, and it'll still work for Bitcoin if there are ever any gaps, but they're going to be a lot less substantial moving forward. Interesting. Kachoya, we want the gap fill and go. We need dip the tip. We do need dip the tip, don't we? That's going to be a cool adjustment to make. You know what it is. There's still going to be RTH, okay? So let's not get it twisted. RTH is still going to be the driver, and there will still be RTH gaps. Let's not forget. That doesn't mean that TRADFI is going to start trading all night on a Saturday. You know what I'm looking for. I want a clean hair. Ideally a clean hair. And if we get real greedy, this. Sato. Juicy said Sato's got a lick down here. Which will be juicy for Who Juice. An exclamation Who Juice, and we got a new Who Juice in tomorrow? Question mark. Maybe a Sato, if it runs down there. I don't know if they can put it together in time. This song is from February of 25. It's a year and a half. February 25. It's a great one. Yeah, and it won a Grammy, remember? Let's get it. Hey, Devov, how we doing? You in anything? Came up to stop you out. Ah, que choy, Latisse. It feels like it's older. Useless Lines has been making music for, I think, 2 years now. Close to it. Yeah, you remember we were like... This one's juiced too, but we're gonna go to the next one. Yeah, you remember when we were like requesting music and people would put in some weird songs? You would have to say exclamation skip. And it would have to be enough people requesting a skip. Yeah, Useless Lines is always working. Exclamation Talent Show. You can be a part of Useless Line Records and have the chance to juice up. Viewing party later? Be there. Or be hoeing. Shouts Coin Nerd. Shouts to the entire Kimba gang, mods and admins. Tiggy, Coin Nerd, Husty, Cage, Buzz, Chauncey Cyper, MGK. Shouts to Kimba. Hey, shouts to the whole team, the devs. Shouts Reddy, Gyps. Barentina, what are we doing? Barentina and Gypsy are neighbors. I gotta get down there. Barentina's son is going to be a professional Pokemon gamer. He's like right up there climbing the ranks. That's pretty dope. You're in along for Kimba's level. Let's go. That's all you need, math, data, and Kimba levels. It closed back inside again. Shit. It actually closed below that sweep, but back above this one, so we are good. And right at weekly VWAP, you know, give it a few dollars higher or lower. We're gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. It's not like a liquidity level that we're looking at breakouts versus fails. Gypsy never shows up. I know, man. He's working. He's working, right? That or he's like, I have this beautiful girl right next to me. Should I get out of bed and get on stream? Get in the chat? Nah. You know. It's a range on view after that 1 hour close. In here? This is a range. Yeah, you want it to be a range?
Yeah.
What do you want? You want this one? You want that? Or you want the majority of this? You know how we can make that a lot easier? Close back inside value area. Bounce at point of control. Needs to get back above, or if it closes below, potential rotation. That makes your range a lot easier. I mean, I did go into RTH, but just do volume profile. If you have trouble like picking out the which particular candle you want it to be pinned to. Just go to volume profile. You want a broader? You want it broader? To be more inclusive? You want it narrower? I've seen people that do a 10%, 40%. There's some cool strategies with this. Look at that. Never seen something like that before on stream, have you? I haven't shown it. I haven't seen it on stream. That's from my nerding out. This is the 70% one. 33%, I like it, Maestro. How about 386? Hype is still going? Let's go, Crypto Craze. Yeah, 66. Ooh wee! We going. Yeah, pure juice. They must have an unlock. Does Masari still do the unlock schedule? Oh, you gotta pay for it. No, you shouldn't. You gotta log in all this shit. I forget which one I used to look at all the time for the unlocks. I think it was Masari though. Even afterwards, I don't remember if I have an account. I don't want to do it right now. Shout out to PSG if you're nerding out. Yeah, it's juice when you stack them together, Maestro. Oh, let's go. ETFs? Yeah. Yeah, that's bullish as hell. Run it up, then dump it on them. Yeah. You know what it is. We come back to 58. Run it up to 83. Dump it on them back to 58, and then it'll be organic. Right? It's pretty much the game plan. Nope. Nope. That's not looking too good. Dot. Instead of just like completely waving it off, yeah, it's kind of back in value. That was close. Kept that above. Let's catch away. Came back. Came back. Do you remember us drawing this? We drew it back here. That was juice. Yeah, Sui was the last one I wanted to say. Oh, why do I have Cardano on there? Soul. Okay, Soul BTC broke out. Finally. Okay, okay, okay. That's looking better. Yeah, that 85. Pretty good, pretty clean. Didn't even make it for the rotation. Yeah, but it looks like it was probably value area high. No, I didn't even make it there. No. There we go. Just move it so it fits your bias. Pixel. Stable coins, that's juice. Let's go, Barentina. Man, where did the time go? This has been a juicy stream. Coin-wise! ETH BTC, pushing back up, kind of. I need to just fix this chart. Because I'm always like, yeah, I don't like this one, but I kind of like that part of it. Yeah, what I did with the other one is like this.
No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let us stack
And then I tightened it up like that, I think. It's weekly. This is weekly. The other one, like that, bounces back in the channel. Subjective. Don't even stress it. Bad lows though. It'll probably get cleaned. Maybe Bitcoin bounces and it cleans down there. One more and that's the push to break out of this disgusting channel. ETH. It's holding these lows though. Big bags, we don't do no fees. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Hey, them say Kimba gang to fly. Money multiply, no lie. Golly, save that one. And then that's bad too. Still basically holding that 2110, 2115, 2120. Just by a hair though. You know, we keep talking about that level having significance for like years. Polkadot at 1.25, yeah, staying alive. Welcome back, Crypto Jammies. Did you get your thing worked on? And BTC. Yeah, you know what it is. Maybe we get a retest up here. And that 79.4 was a pretty interesting level we have been talking about. Oh no, what happened? Good one. Good song. Hey, stand up if you got a monster in your hand. Don't stand up with the webcam on. Gaboo! Last one and you're out? Nice. So you're just waiting, getting in the stream. You got a headset on? Like earbud? Let's get back over to S&P Poo. S&P help me. Help me! They're just waiting for the 11 o'clock power hour Bank of England speaker to speak. Yeah, Dokong, it's holding. It's holding. But look, if Bitcoin holds to 74, ETH could go all the way down to 1900 and still bounce and be fine. So 2100 is a more significant level, but the 1900, 1920, 1930, it can still hold and bounce strong. Yeah, just give it time. He's like, fuck that, dude. I just long 2110. I'm trying to be optimistic. Look at it from both sides. If you shorted, you're Gucci. You're Gucci. Mark. Yeah, that's right. Lock in. Strap in. Helmets, diapers, spacesuits. We got a long weekend coming too. Could be good for altcoins. Holy shit, I wonder what Hype is going to do this weekend. Are they going to run it to 83 today? It's pretty exciting. Let's see how Hitman Silver's doing. I wanted to see this. Wow. Nice clean. That's looking pretty good structure though. Uh-oh. Whole PDEQ. And rejecting off a previous month morning control. Ugh. You need to get above that. Gotta get above it. Weekly VWAP, daily VWAP now. Previous month VWAP. This is an important zone. I mean, 75. It's a nice psychological number. You like the hourly candle? Yeah, that was pretty good. The pullback, I mean, it could be positions closing, not shorts coming in. But that is, you know, somebody closed something pretty substantially. We had more volume on that next 30-minute candle, the first of the hour. And then you got to look at it for initial balance for RTH. Closing below PDEQ. It almost got the gap. Gaps on gaps on gaps. I mean, this is crazy. I never look at it this way. Can't see anything. Much better. Yeah, you gotta do some customization. Took profit 75.6. Let's go. Stop loss 74.9. Oh, it's still holding for you. That's like right above PDEQ. Let's get it, Hitman Gucci. He's scalping. Juice. Shout out to Hitman Gucci. That was pretty juicy. Broke out. Broke out.
Kimba gang.
Holding the structure.
Hey, yo, turn me up. Monster
Okay,
in my
okay.
hand,
We've
but not
heard
the
Monster in
drink.
My Hand like 4 times today.
Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
You know what we haven't heard?
Monster in my hand, watch how it.
Turn up. Gotta make sure this sounds good. Shoutouts Cage! Shoutouts Uses Lines.
Candles flicker, breathing slow, stopless tide, we let it go. She feel the juice, the macro swing, charts and sync, let the siren sing.
There we go. Suppress volatility above Gex Flip.
No fear inside, Kimba codes, we override, risk suppressed, we glide so light, hold the zone, we own the night. No chase, just structure. No guess, just pattern. She see the scene, the motion art. Boot canvas flip. She play her part. No chase, just structure. No guess, just pattern. She see the sync, the motion art. Boot canvas flip. She play her part. As dawn approaches, we remain echoes of the night's refrain. With every beat, our stories told in the rhythm. We are bold. As dawn approaches, we remain echoes of the night's refrain. With every beat, our stories told in the rhythm. We are bold.
Such a good song. Love that
Woke up
song.
to the charts. Didn't check the time, just saw the flow. Volume peaking right beneath the low. Steady. Missed the sweep last night. Jumped the gun and moved without the wick. Didn't wait for structure, now I'm sick. Messy. Bad. Screens glow like they haunted. Mind sharp but exhausted. Still I track each candle till it's closed. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the TPs. No, I can't sleep, I'm watching every line. I said, ooh.
I know you see me doing all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm fixing the dashboard for to wrap up.
It's like this, I don't miss my time.
Yeah, I know. It's like, I'm like, ah, all over the place.
Dawn about to break. Asia closing out, I clear my view. Sessions overlap.
Trying to make it look a little cleaner.
Patience.
There's our value area low.
Chase on tilt. Now I scale it back and let it breathe. Every piece aligns inside the sleeve. Blatant.
For the rotation.
I just wait through. Let it slip, brain stay cool.
Exclamation CoinWise. 50% off. And then coinwise.com/dashboard. Yeah, nice wicks on this, aren't there? Are they wicks of destiny? Not really.
Breathe low as I grip the zone. Market clean, don't chase unknowns. Every move reflects
MEXC.
control.
Okay.
Let the structure take its hold.
Get Wise for 50% off. Yeah, I got Anchor VWAP on here. I marked it. I marked the fixed range for this little consolidation that we are experiencing. But we came back inside. And this is a developing value. So value area low, right around the same place, of course. Get caught up.
Trading on stream, my zone so tight, these charts get cooked and served. I'm that guy, dish that weak play kept throwing off my nerve.
Definitely interest in some buyback here.
Used to spend all day in a struggle, now I'm leveled in a firm. Pull up on resistance.
Come to the talent show later. Submit for your chance to win in the next talent show. Exclamation talent show. Exclamation UBIT. And exclamation dashboard for the full stream schedule. Kimba live trading tomorrow morning. Talent show this afternoon. And possibly a Who Juicing tomorrow afternoon as well. Long weekend coming up. Mandalo Market Open is moving to Wednesday next week. And then will be Monday, Wednesday afterwards. Just keep an eye on the dashboard, the Discord. Exclamation Discord. Shout outs to the Discord and Kimba's Den. Updates every single morning this week. And a lot of the lions are juicing on that. Shout outs to the Wise Lions too. Exclamation NFT. Exclamation YouTube. Lion Kings. Exclamation Discord VIPs. Let's go. Can't wait for the talent show later. We in there. And super pumped about the talent show next week. Long weekend for US markets. So futures only on Monday. Nerd out on CoinWise. Use the dashboard. Use the dashboard. All my stuff is going to be deleted now. It's free for all. Free for all. You have access to all of this stuff. Is so beautiful. The lick maps, the lick heat maps, GEX. This is going to become more and more relevant the closer we come to tomorrow morning. So wherever we're, yeah, GEX flip. Uh-oh. 76,747. Right now for Deribit.
I don't know about you, but I value my grind. Imagine stopping without reaching the top spot. So many trades we haven't defined. Hitting targets others haven't met. Don't party, but success is there. I set my mind. Gotta sit back sometimes.
Safe to say that we're trading above that for the time being.
Floating and I won't go under. Been out of town for a month.
But it sure does look like we're accepting back inside this little range, doesn't it?
How can I miss a trade? My alerts are set. Snipe entry on the drop. Quick gains, no sweat. How can I miss a trade? My alerts are set. Snipe entry on the drop. Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love this. No regret. The market's good.
Shout out to the dashboard. Coinwise.com/dashboard. And the knowledge base is juice. Social Journal is getting improved every single day now. We'll have a nerd out on it when it's really when I have a chance to nerd out on it better. Yeah, it just got released, and more even coming. Get in the CoinWise Discord and check them out. That way you're up to date for any of the new upcoming features. Kimba hinted at another really juice feature a little while ago on stream. Potentially CoinWise paid users having access to the S&P Boogammas in the near future. Oh.
How can I miss a trade? My alerts are set. Sniped entry on a drop. Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love
I like the sound of that.
the market's global, trades running every day. No reset.
Let's juice up, gang.
My alerts are set. Sniped entry on a drop. Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love this. No regret.
Keep building.
The market's global,
Shout out to
trades running every
CoinWise.
day. No reset.
Shout out to the team. Shout out to the KTV team. Shout outs to all the Lions. Thanks for an amazing week. Check out that CoinWise deal. S&P for now. I'm sure that more will be coming. Ronnie Wrecked. Yeah, one thing at a time. I think it takes a lot and the expense for it. So the more users they have, the more they can provide. Hitman Gucci, he juicing. Shout out to Biffum, Calling Noob, Coke Zero, Ronnie Wrecked, Husty, Buzz, Cage. Yeah, watching the candles. Yeah, we got an hourly close in 1 minute. We'll see where that is and send it out. Gaboo, thanks for joining. Thank you all, Lions. Have a wonderful weekend. Mark, shout outs to you, brother. Thanks for coming. Let's go, PSG. Yeah, if you're looking to nerd out this weekend, that's an amazing place to do so. That and the CoinWise dashboard. Barentina, have a great weekend, brother. Thanks for joining. Crypto Jammies, Curvies, Mark. Always Curvies. Pleasure to be here. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I love nerding out. Gamer girl, let's get it. Fellas, have a amazing day. Juice up. If you don't use a stop loss, though, you know what's going to happen. Dolkong, have an amazing day. Good luck to your ETH. Good luck to the hype longers. Don't forget to take profits. I think you're looking pretty good for right now. Yeah, this is a strong breakout with news volume and a whole lot of juice. Send it. Fucking send it. Mandalo. If you know, you know. Thanks, Mark. I will try. Cake Shower, thanks for coming in. Shout out to Kimba for stopping by and vibing out for a little while. Make sure that you get caught up on all of his thoughts in the Discord. Exclamation Discord, Kimba's Den. Free for all. Wise Lions, you can communicate more with him. Exclamation NFT. It's nighttime for you. Hey, Dolkong, sleep well, rest well. We're out of here. But see what these markets are gonna do. We got a exciting weekend coming up of 3 days of pauses, and I think this is the last full weekend of no futures on CME.
We hope you've had a great day.
Yeah, shouts Tigran reminding us about this. Maestro! Much love, brother. Much love to all the Lions.
We rise above with
All right.
reason and
I'm out of here.
we called the moves, we stayed aligned.
Have a great day. Have a great weekend.
In games, no reckless
Exclamation CoinWise, get that 50% off. It's only until the 26th. Yeah, make sure you take advantage of that. That's a huge discount. And you hear some of the things that are coming from them. I mean, now's the time. You don't want to pay full price when all that stuff comes out. Shit. Maybe you can. Maybe you'll juice so hard on the dashboard that you'll be able to afford it. Ain't no thing. But man, that's a good deal. Check out their Discord. Kaboo! He reaving. Zach, welcome back. Yeah, get caught up, brother. Get caught up. We got the dashboard, exclamation CoinWise, 50% off, and they have a new dashboard. Yeah, Zach, if you're just popping in, look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't leave with Zach not having seen this. Look at this. Liquidation heat maps from CoinWise, liquidation maps, GEX, knowledge base, all these different articles and videos and stuff. Free for all. CoinWise.com/dashboard. Ooh-wee. Shout out to CoinWise. There is a video there. Don't worry.
If you see PTVAL
Boom.
on CoinWise,
Love it. Shout outs to CoinWise. So juicy. Let's get it. All right, let's juice together, y'all. Have a great day. Love ya.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise family and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knot is connecting. Wise Lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise Lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. CoinWise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction, the Lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the Lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. CoinWise with Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. CoinWise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise Lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em.